Classroom. Classroom. A room where students study. Example, the teacher entered the classroom. Blackboard. Blackboard. A board for writing with chalk. Example, the teacher wrote the lesson on the blackboard. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. A board for writing with markers. Example, she drew a picture on the whiteboard. Teacher. Teacher. A person who teaches students. Example, our teacher explained the math problem. Student. Student. A person who studies in school. Example, the student raised his hand to ask a question. Desk. Desk. A table for students to work on. Example, he kept his books on the desk. Chair. Chair. A seat for sitting in class. Example, she sat on the chair quietly. Library. Library. A room with books for reading and study. Example, we borrowed storybooks from the library. Playground. Playground. An outdoor area for playing games. Example, the children played football in the playground. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. A place where students eat food. Example, we had lunch in the cafeteria. Principal. Principal. The head of the school. Example, the principal welcomed the new students. Notebook. Notebook. A book for writing notes. Example, he wrote his homework in the notebook. Pencil. Pencil. A tool for writing or drawing. Example, she sharpened her pencil before class. Eraser. Eraser. A tool to remove pencil marks. Example, he used an eraser to fix his mistake. Bag. Bag. A school bag for carrying books. Example, she put her lunchbox in the bag. Uniform. Uniform. Special clothes students wear in school. Example, all the students wore their uniforms. Homework. Homework. Work given to students to do at home. Example, I finished my homework last night. Exam. Exam. A test to check what students have learned. Example, we studied hard for the math exam. Subject. Subject. A branch of study like math or science. Example, English is my favorite subject. Assembly. Assembly. A school gathering for announcements. Example, we sang the national anthem in the assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.